Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Today I just wanted to show a quick video of something fun I'm going to make. I received some happy mail from Deb, so thank you so much, Deb. She sent me this from my Amazon wish list. It was a collection of ephemera papers, and they come in these little books. I mean, I had no idea when I selected it as something that I'd like to play around with that they'd be so beautiful. But look at these beautiful papers. They are about the prettiest ephemera papers I think I've ever seen. And there's 4 different books that come in the set. And then this was the packaging that went around them, and each one had a little picture on them. And instead of just throwing them away, I cut the pictures out to use them as well. So you've got this nice hard card to use for something. And of course, I save these cardboards. This is a nice weight for doing different things in paper doll making. So those will get put aside and saved and used as a little card. And this goes obviously to the packaging that went with this ephemera book because it's the same image. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, these papers are just so beautiful. I love them. I love every page of it. They're so pretty. So thanks again, Deb. That was so sweet. So my mom and I have created a whole bunch of these paper clips, decorated paper clips, which I'm sure everybody has seen lots of videos on how to do this. But we've tried a lot of different ways, and my mom found this video, and we just had a total ball. One Saturday we Skyped, and we each made a whole bunch out of scrapbooking papers that we had, and then we exchanged them. So we ended up with a bunch that are all different. So that's kind of fun to do. Get a friend and follow the video. You guys each make a bunch, maybe set a limit on how many you make, and then trade them. So they're great bases to decorate. Here's what they look like with pattern paper, and I'll link the video that we found for making these, because again, it was probably the easiest and best video we've seen for this. So I thought I'd take one of those and use that with this little card. This is my fun idea. So this goes beautifully with this. I need to trim it better, but what I'm going to do, since this card is nice and thick, I'm going to take a needle and I'm going to perforate the edge about, maybe between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch up, and then I'm going to use bead string, a bead needle, and some seed beads, and I'm going to bead the bottom of this card before I put it on the paperclip tag. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's how it turned out. I just poked holes, and then I used really, really fine size 15 seed beads and some bead thread and beaded around the bottom edge. I did some distress ink around the edge. I put a little paper doily behind it, glued it to this paper clip, and so it's going to go. This journal is something I've been working on for a while, and it's going to be all it's kind of Victorian-ish, and like things like this. This was from a greeting card from the 1920s that my mom had saved from my grandmother. Used to keep all her greeting cards in a book, and I made a pocket out of it in my journal. I love old things like that. Just vintagey things and kind of Victorian-ish. I'm trying to make this more of a Victorian style book. So this is going to go on here, and it just slips onto the edge. These paper clips are really fun. I'll give you the link. Here's another piece from another old greeting card. Look at that. Oh, love those old images. And it's on this really shiny paper, but look how cute that doily looks with, or that paperclip looks with a doily and with some beadwork on it. So I just thought I would show that. And again, thanks, Deb, for the beautiful papers. And this came from the packaging of the papers. And I love to show what I do with things I receive from my happy mail. And I hope you guys are all having fun today creating something, because creating makes us feel better, makes us feel good, makes us not think about anything that's bugging us. So art soothes the heart. That's why I say that all the time. So thanks for stopping by. Go have fun, make some art. See you next time.